The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler FIVE. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler FIVE cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler FIVE features an adjustable floating cover, stay-cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible, removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning-fast results. All of the features you love with a simple, modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler FIVE is the ultimate addition to your countertop.